All right, you guys, so right here in this video, I'm about to go ahead and cut open this $1,300 subwoofer. It's really painful, depressing, so you guys gonna have to go through it with me. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and cut it open. Right now I'm cutting the spider. Go ahead and pull this joker out. So right now I'm about to cut down into that, which is right here. So I'm gonna have the camera angle right here so you guys can kind of see. Recording? All right, so I'm about to cut the inside of right here. About to see what's inside this bad boy. I wish I had a longer knife. Still got some stuff connected up. So yeah, man, this is what it looks like, man. This is the inside of the voice coil, so you guys can see. So this is what a burnt voice coil looks like. See that? Show you guys what it was in. So it was in this box right here. This is the actual close-up of the inside of the box, so you guys can see it. MDF, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what this looks like, man. You got the leads right here. Snap that off. What more can I do to this to destroy it? Comment down below if you guys want me to do a teardown video of this subwoofer. Comment down below. So you guys, this is what the inside looks like. And if you guys are wondering why I did cut it open, as you guys can see right here, this is a burnt voice coil. So long story short, I didn't break the subwoofer in properly. So this is what happens. So I'm getting a replacement. So I'm not really too much worried about it. So I just wanted to open it up so you guys can see it. See, this is the T213. It's a $1,300 subwoofer. And when you're looking up in here, it's just like, damn, this thing right here is $1,300. So, yep, this is it. There you go. So that's what it looks like when you take apart the sub, and this is what the back of the trunk looks like. I don't know if I showed you guys the amp. Let's see. There's the amp right there. About for Fosgate T2500 BD. So, you know, like I said, you know, you guys, warranty is going to cover it. They told me to, basically, they said I have to destroy the subwoofer. This is pretty much gonna sum it up right here, you guys. There's not really too much I can show you besides the fact that I just tore down the subwoofer. So this is the 1 ohm T13. If you guys are wondering, this is 2,000 watts RMS. I had it hooked up to a Fosgate BD T2500, but I didn't break the sub in properly, so I blew the coil, which is this, for the 3rd time. So you guys don't get on my head about this, man. Like, you know, it's $1,300 just like that. But I believe I really blew it when I don't even know why it would blow, but I think I was driving to California. I literally had it playing all the way from Phoenix, Arizona to California for like 5 hours straight. So I'm pretty sure like I either got this thing too hot to where it just gave out. But I wasn't thinking. I was just listening to music. But that ain't gonna happen again though. You know, we all make mistakes, right? But yeah, that's what this subwoofer looks like. This is what a $1,300 subwoofer looks like. This thing right here is light. This thing is like paper, okay? This thing right here, on the other hand, this thing literally moves my car. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man, you guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace.